Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, today our topic of discussion is what is life, what is biology, and what is the basic unit of life. First of all, we explain what is biology. Biology क्या है? Biology is a combination of two Greek words. These are derived from Greek word bios mean life, and logy means study or discussion. It is the etymology of biology. Bio means life and logy means study. Now we are going to explain the definition of biology. What is biology? Biology क्या है? Biology is the scientific study of organism. Biology is the scientific study of organism. Point to be noted. Biology is the scientific study of organism. What is organism? Organism mean living things. Organism mean living things, and living things having the following features. They have the following features. The first one is reproduction. The second one is respiration. The third one is growth plus development. The fourth one is sensitivity. Excretion. Homeostasis. Locomotion plus movement. These are the basic features of organism. Biology is the scientific study of organism. What are the organism? Organisms are commonly called living things, जिनको जानदार कहा जाता है. जानदारों की मंदरज़ेल खसूसियात हैं. The first one is reproduction. Reproduction mean अमल तौलीद. All organisms have the ability to reproduce their own kind. Such ability of organism is called reproduction. In this reproduction process, male donate sperm and female donate egg. The process is called fertilization, and the result is zygote is formed. From zygote, embryo is formed. What is embryo? A baby organism is called embryo. Or respiration. All organisms respire. All organisms respire except viruses. Point to be noted. All organisms respire except viruses, because viruses are obligate parasite. They depends on their host for respiration. What is respiration? Actually, respiration जिसको उर्दू में कहा जाता है अमली तनफ़ुस. Respiration, it is a energy releasing process, In this process, C6H12O6 react with oxygen, change into carbon dioxide plus water and release energy in the form of ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate, which is also called currency of energy. All biological systems use this fuel and release energy, which is used in various activities of life. What is growth? The permanent and irreversible increase in body mass due to continuous cell division is called a growth. Growth क्या है? Growth का मतलब है बढ़ना. And the final stage of growth is called development. जब जानदार के ख़ास स्टेज में ग्रोथ करता है और आखिरी हालत अटेन कर लेते हैं, जिसको मेच्योरिटी कहा जाता है. Such a final stage of growth is called development. It is also called climax. It is also called climax stage. Sensitivity. What is sensitivity? All organisms have the ability to feel the environmental condition, to sense the environmental condition. Such ability of organism is called sensitivity. इसको उर्दू में कहा जाता है हसासियत. Animals have neurons. What are neurons? Neurons, these are the specialized cells which receive different stimuli, process and show responses according to environmental stimuli. All organisms have sensitivity, plants, animals and microorganisms. Excretion. What is excretion? A removal of metabolic waste. Removal of metabolic waste from body is called excretion. Removal of metabolic waste product from the body is called excretion. All organisms show excretion except viruses. Point to be noted. All organisms have the ability to digest food material and remove waste material except viruses, because viruses are obligate parasites. They depend on their host. Point to be noted. What is excretion? The removal of metabolic waste from the body is called excretion. Another term is secretion. What is secretion? Secretion is another term which is used for the release of hormones. This term is mostly used for the release of hormones and enzymes. Then such term is called secretion. वो अमल जिसके मदद से जानदार अपनी जिस्म में हार्मोन और एंजाइम का इखराज करते हैं, तो उस अमल को सिक्रेशन कहा जाता है. और वो अमल जिसके ज़रिए ऑर्गेनिज्म अपने जिस्म से पालतू चीज़ों को हटाते हैं या रिमूव करते हैं, उस अमल को एक्सक्रीशन कहा जाता है. हेमोस्टेसिस. व्हाट इज़ हेमोस्टेसिस? इट इज़ आल्सो कॉल्ड इक्विलिब्रियम इन लाइफ. इक्विलिब्रियम इन लाइफ. All organisms have the ability to sense the environmental condition and have the ability to adjust with this and change environment. Such ability of an organism is called homeostasis. It is also called similar condition. This homeostatic condition is most common, most obvious in animal as compared to plants. Homeostasis वो अमल है जिसके मदद से जानदार इन्वायरमेंटल कंडीशन को सेंस करते हैं और उसके मुताबिक फिर रिस्पांस शोज दिखाते हैं और एडजस्टमेंट दिखाते हैं, तो इस अमल को होमोस्टेसिस कहा जाता है. होमोस्टेसिस 3 तरीक़ों से ऑर्गेनिज्म मेंटेन कर पाते हैं: ऑस्मोरेगुलेशन, थर्मोरेगुलेशन और एक्सक्रीशन. व्हाट इज ऑस्मोरेगुलेशन? टू मेंटेन द बैलेंस ऑफ सोल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट. To maintain the balance of solute and solvent in organism body is called osmoregulation. ये हेमोस्टेसिस का एक तरीक़ा है जिसके ज़रिए जानदार अपने जिस्म में अपनी बॉडीज़ में नमकियात और पानी की मकदार को रेगुलेट करती हैं। तो इस अमल को कहा जाता है ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन। हेमोस्टेसिस का दूसरा एस्पेक्ट है thermoregulation. What is thermoregulation? The ability of organism to maintain body temperature according to the changed environment. Then such ability is called thermoregulation. And the next aspect of homeostasis is excretion. What is excretion? The removal of metabolic waste from the body is called excretion. Locomotion. What is locomotion? लोकोमोशन को उर्दू में कहा जाता है नक़ल मकानी, नक़ल मकानी। और मोमेंट को उर्दू में कहा जाता है हरकत। व्हाट इज़ द की डिफरेंस बिटवीन लोकोमोशन एंड मोमेंट? लोकोमोशन और मोमेंट में बुनियादी फ़र्क क्या है? लोकोमोशन ऑर्गेनिज्म मूव फ्राम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस। लोकोमोशन में जानदार एक जगह से दूसरी जगह हरकत करती हैं और सच जानदारों को कहा जाता है मोटाइल। मोटाइल दोज ऑर्गेनिज्म विच कैन मूव फ्राम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस। Such ability of an organism is called locomotion, and animals are called motile. For example, all animals excluding plants. Moment, the response of an organism toward or away from stimulus. जानदारों की वो सलाहियत जिसकी मदद से वो किसी स्टिमुलस की तरफ जाते हैं या स्टिमुलस से अवे जाते हैं, तो उस सलाहियत को कहा जाता है मोमेंट, जिसको कहा जाता है हरकत। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अब मैं अपने हाथों को हिला रहा हूँ, इट इज़ मोमेंट। जब मैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाता हूँ तो इसको कहा जाता है लोकोमोशन। Now we are going to explain the main branches of biology. Main branches of biology. Biology has three main branches. The first one is botany, the scientific study of plants. The scientific study of plants is called botany. A point to be noted: plants may be herbs. These are the small plants, for example grasses. The second one is herb, shrubs. These are the medium size plants, medium size plant, for example roses, Duranta plant. These are called shrubs. The third one is trees. Those plants which have root system, which have shoot system, which have a lot of branches. For example, pinus, not penis. It is called pinus, जिसको उर्दू में कहा जाता है चीड़ और पश्तो में कहा जाता है नख्तर। Dalbergia sisso. It is the botanical name. शीशम इसको उर्दू में कहा जाता है और पश्तो में इसको कहा जाता है शवा। So, botany is that discipline of biology in which we study plants. Plants may be herbs which are small in size, for example grasses, shrubs which are medium size, for example roses and Duranta, trees which have trunk, which have root system, which have a shoot system, for example pinus plant, Dalbergia sisso, etc. Now, what is plant? Plant क्या होता है? Plant have the following main feature. The first one is plants have cell wall. Point to be noted. Plant has cell wall. Plants are autotroph. Plants are sessile. And plants have chlorophyll. These are the main characteristic, main feature which are present in plant. Plant have cell wall. Cell wall is composed of polysaccharide scar, cellulose, autotroph. Autotroph mean plant have the ability to manufacture their own food because they have chlorophyll. Plant are sessile. Plant cannot move from one place to another place. Plant are fixed. But some microscopic plant show pre-locomotion. For example, Chlamydomonas in Volvox. These are the distinguished character of a plant. The next branch of biology is zoology. What is zoology? Zoo mean chadiyagar. The place where animals are kept is called zoo. Logy mean study. It is the scientific study of animals. It is the scientific study of animals. Animals may be, point to be noted, invertebrates, those animals which have no backbone. For example, Musca domestica. What is Musca domestica? It's commonly called housefly, makhi. Earthworm, mosquito, etc. These are invertebrates. The second category is vertebrates. Those organisms which have backbone, which have vertebral column. For example, amphibians, frog, etc. Reptiles, snake, etc. Birds and mammals. The third category is microbiology. What is microbiology? Microbiology is that branch of biology in which we study microorganisms, those organisms which cannot be seen with the naked eye. Microbiology deals with microorganism. Microorganism, those organisms which cannot be seen with the naked eye. Naked वो जानदार जिनको हम खुली आँख से नहीं देख सकते हैं और उनको माइक्रोस्कोप की मदद से इनका मुताला करते हैं तो उनको कहा जाता है माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म. Microorganism may be bacteria, point to be noted, viruses, protozoans, and some microscopic fungi, for example yeast. The botanical name of yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. These are the microorganisms. These microorganisms can be studied with the help of microscope. What is microscope? Microscope is the instrument which is used for the study of microorganism. So it is enough for today.